Welcome to the best picks. The best laundry wringer is probably one of the most practical tools for anyone who hand washes their clothes. It efficiently removes excess water, making the drying process much faster and easier. This video will explore the features and benefits of a hand crank laundry wringer, helping you decide if it's the right choice for your laundry routine and showing you how to get the most out of this simple yet effective device. Number 5. WonderWash Portable Washer. Say hello to WonderWash, the portable washing machine perfect for apartments and small spaces. It's a stylish and convenient way to do laundry, wherever you are. Cleaning your clothes with it is easy and efficient. It's a manual washer, so you're in control of the cleaning process. It's not just practical, it's also a beautiful addition to your home. The retro design adds a touch of vintage charm to any space. Its compact size makes it ideal for apartments, dorms, RVs, or anywhere space is limited. You can easily place it on your countertop. With this, you can enjoy fresh, clean laundry no matter where you are. It's the perfect solution for those who want convenient and efficient laundry. It's completely non-electric, making it an eco-friendly and cost-effective choice. Enjoy clean clothes without relying on electricity. What we like. This retro-designed wonder is perfect for small spaces. It's compact and portable, so you can do laundry anywhere. If you are looking for a simple, non-electric solution for your apartment or camping trips, this is the one for you. Number 4. Calliger 360 Laundry Wringer. Tired of hand-wringing your laundry? This wringer makes quick work of wet clothes, saving you time and effort. It removes significantly more water than portable washing machines or dryers. Get your laundry dry much faster. Its patented design lets you attach it to various surfaces, tables, counters, even wash basins. It's incredibly versatile. This durable wringer is built with zinc-plated and powder-coated metal parts for superior weather resistance and longevity. It's practically indestructible. It outperforms other portable washing machines and wringers, squeezing out way more water. Plus, it's fun and portable. Perfect for everyday laundry, car washing, and even emergency preparedness. It's a truly versatile tool. What we like. This wringer removes more water than any portable washer. Its durable construction ensures it will last for years. If you have a lot of laundry or need something for car washing, this wringer's versatility and efficiency will make your life easier. What people say. This thing is built like a tank, and as heavy as one, to boot. Every piece seems to be well made. I expect this to last a lifetime if it's maintained properly. It came with very clear directions on glossy heavy paper stock, a small detail, but it made it very easy to prop up and read as my hands were busy holding the unit. The clamps are multidirectional as shown, and there are 3 positions to move them closer together if needed, using the enclosed Allen wrenches. The wringer works fine and is easy to set up for first-time use. I like that the tension knob is easy to access, so I can loosen and tighten it as necessary for the clothing. From very tight on socks to very loose getting jeans through. Number 3. Calliger Clothes Wringer. Tired of hand-wringing your laundry? This wringer makes quick work of wet clothes, saving you time and effort. It removes significantly more water than portable washing machines or dryers, meaning your clothes will dry much faster. Its patented design allows it to attach to various surfaces, from countertops to wash basins, making it incredibly convenient. With its durable zinc-plated and powder-coated construction, it's designed to withstand the test of time and provide years of reliable use. Unlike other portable washers, this wringer extracts far more water, making it a superior choice for efficient laundry. From everyday laundry to car washing and even emergency preparedness, it's a versatile tool with a wide range of uses. What we like. This wringer removes more water than any portable washer. Its durable construction ensures it will last for years. If you have a lot of laundry or need something for car washing, this wringer's versatility and efficiency will make your life easier. What people say. The wringer makes it so easy to take out all the water of the clothes, way better than by hand may I add, and leaves them ready to hang to dry. The rollers are rubber with an adjustable leaf spring, so when the rollers squeeze shirts with buttons, the buttons are not damaged. The rollers will separate a bit to let them through without crushing. A surprising amount of water is squeezed out, and my laundry dries very quickly after wringing. Rollers do not twist or stress fabric, so the seams of my clothes are not damaged. Number 2. GAW Black Coated Steel Wringer. It's built to last a lifetime with durable materials and construction. The black e-coat finish protects it from scratches and corrosion. This isn't just paint, it's a tough, protective coating with a zinc undercoat for superior durability. This ensures it will withstand daily use. These rollers are made from one of the most durable rubbers available. A simple scrub before first use will keep them in top condition for years to come. It features 12-inch wide rollers for efficient washing. Need more width? Check out our 18-inch model. The frame is made from heavy-gauge steel for superior strength and longevity. It's built to withstand the test of time. It saves you time and energy compared to twist drying. Perfect for laundry, car washing, boats, camping, and more. We stand behind our product. If you have any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to call us. What we like? This wringer is proudly made in the USA, ensuring quality and durability. It features long-lasting rollers for efficient water removal. If you value American craftsmanship and need a reliable wringer for household or light commercial use, this is a great choice. Number 1. Wisemen Heavy Duty Wringer. This heavy-duty clothes wringer is proudly made in the USA, ensuring quality and durability you can trust. It's perfect for car detailers and washing services. Its robust construction stands up to the demands of frequent use. With heavy-duty hardware and bushings, plus a convenient top handle, it's designed for ease of use and long-lasting performance. The metal parts have a durable coated finish, and the rollers are made of ultra-durable 12-knit rel, a cost-effective industrial choice. Its 360-degree swivel clamps allow for easy attachment to various surfaces, from straight boards to round wash tubs. We stand behind our product with a 100% satisfaction guarantee. American shipping and customer service are included. What we like? This commercial-grade wringer is built to last with heavy-duty hardware. It's perfect for car detailers and washing services. If you need a robust and reliable wringer for professional use, this is the ideal option. What people say? Well made and works really well. Very high quality. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.